In this tutorial, I will show you how to superpose two protein structures using ChimeraX. I will use these two structures, the sodium-potassium pump 2ZXE and the gastric proton pump 7W4A. To know more about these two ion channels, watch the next video. Now we will use the MatchMaker tool to superpose structure 7W4A onto the structure 2ZXE. ChimeraX automatically performs both sequence alignment and structural fitting to generate the best possible alignment between the two proteins. To do this, go to Tools. Under Structure Analysis, select MatchMaker. In the MatchMaker dialog box, select 2ZXE as the reference structure and 7W4A as the structure to match. Then click Apply. As you can see, the two structures are now aligned. You can check the RMSD value in the log window, which provides a quantitative measure of structural similarity between these two proteins. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.